It's possible with the Pure 3 inverter control panel that someone who did not know what they were doing has gone in and made a change to the settings. And it's also possible when they're doing that to disable the ability to turn the inverter on and off from the control panel. In order to re-enable that capability, go to the inverter control panel. If the display is dark, press the enter button once to wake it up. Now I will push and hold the button for 5 seconds. We've entered the settings mode. This is similar to setting the input or branch current. See our other video. I'll press the next. Max branch amps. I'll press it again. LCD inverter control, and it says on/off. That's the wrong setting. Press the enter once. Our S appears in the lower right hand corner, meaning we can now start making changes. Press the next button to EN/disable. That's the correct setting. Press the enter button, and that setting is now saved. I'll press the escape, and now we'll be able to turn the inverter on and off. And that's done simply by pressing the on/off button. And you see it says inverter number 1 off, disabled by LCD. And that's what you want to see. The inverter is off. Press it again, and you heard the beep from the microwave there. We have now turned the inverter on.